Even the people of falsehood, brothers and sisters, recognize that should you become an effective player in the future, tarbiyah, nurturing, has to start from a very, very young age. He, of course, is being cultivated and nurtured upon deception and satanic practices and magic and sorcery. But even the people of falsehood recognize it's gonna start at that young age. So we mustn't say that, let the child mess about. In the future, inshallah ta'ala, he will find his way. Don't make things difficult on him, on her. Give them their freedom. Inshallah, they will find the path of Islam when they get older. I don't want to impinge on their rights. Now, it's true. They might indeed find their way in the future. But you know what will happen? That child will continue to look at you as a father or a mother who had neglected them when they needed you the most. They will look at you as a parent who never pushed them the extra mile. They will look at you as a parent who placed them on the brink of destruction and they may have never recovered. From a young age, we are to encourage children, should they be massive players in the future, to be these great people. From a young age, encourage your daughters, brothers and sisters, to wear the hijab. Practice training, so she will love it when she's older. Practice, train your children to love the salah, bring them to the masjid, to speak the Arabic language, to benefit from lectures, to sit with the mashayikh from a young age. Because now, should you want to unload these things on your children when they hit the age of 13, 14, it doesn't always go well. And we complain, we say, where did I go wrong? You say you went wrong when they were born. That's where you went wrong. It's got to start from a very young age. And that is why Imam al-Bukhari narrates in his Sahih, on the authority of the companion Al-Rabi' bint Mu'awwidh. She says, فَكُنَّا نَصُومُهُ بَعْدْ. We used to fast the day of Ashura. وَنُصَوِّمُ صِبْيَانَنَا. And we used to train our children to fast it as well. Look, it's an optional fast. It's not the fasting of Ramadan. She said, however, we would train our children to fast the day of Ashura. وَنَجْعَلُ لَهُمُ الْعِهْنَةِ يعني القطن. And we used to make for them toys made out of cotton so that they can play with it. And whenever they would cry wanting food, we would give them the cotton, and that would keep them quiet up until the sun sets, and then we would give them their food. Training them from a very young age to fast and to be leaders. And that's why they became the companions. It starts from a young age, akhi.